everyone! So I'm going to be doing a review on the Tampax compact tampons. Basically, these are the Tampax compact tampons. Sorry, I can't speak. These come in a box of 20, and they were about $5-ish, I think, when I bought them. I actually bought them a really long time ago. This is like a long, like, leftover one, so basically, here it is. It's a compact tampon, so it's like a small applicator, but it extends to a bigger one. And basically, these are the light flow. These are purple. The regular flow is yellow, and the heavy flow is green. Basically, these are individually wrapped, and you can use the wrapper to wrap it up afterwards, although it is a little harder to than most tampons, I think. These, as I said before, these are the light flow, and so the wrapper is purple, and it is a pretty wrapper. I mean, like, it's got a nice pattern on it. I don't know if you can see that. It's like an infinity sign over and over again. It's cute-ish. It's not as cute as the U BY KOTEX ones. I like those ones because those are cool colors. But basically, here, I'll show you how big it is. Once I find, here's my measuring tape. Alright, so it is, in the wrapper, it's 4 inches long and 1 inch wide. So that's good. It's small. It's small enough that if you're in school, you can literally just kind of go like this, and, no one will be able to notice. The one problem is these are really loud. Like the wrapper. Here, yeah, that's another thing about it. So I hate these wrappers. They suck. They open really, really easily. They also, these wrappers also, are really, really loud. So, like, here, do you hear that? That's what it sounds like when you're trying to open it. It is good for, like, I mean, I don't know. I don't really like these tampons, honestly. I find that I like the Tampax Pearl better than the Tampax Compact. These ones, I don't like the applicators, and I hate that wrapper thing, Here's how big the tampon is. I'll just show you quickly. The tampon is 3 inches, and, again, like 1 inch-ish. It's like this cute little one, small. Basically, what you do is you just pull it out like that, and then it becomes a full-length applicator. This grip sucks. Like, look at this grip. Basically, this is the grip right here, and then I don't even know if you can see this, but there's, like, they have little ridges. Let me just adjust my camera slightly. Alright, sorry. I'm just moving it down a little bit. And so that grip is really bad. I really hate these tampons. The tampon barrel is really smooth, so that's really nice. And so I found it was pretty easy to push the tampon out, although I did have a couple instances where I didn't. You have to make sure you push this barrel, this is called the barrel, all the way, or the plunger, sorry. This is the plunger, that's the barrel. The plunger all the way into the barrel, otherwise then it's not going to come out. So, here's the absorbency test, and here I'll just show you how. So basically, you've, say this is your vagina, and you've stuck it up, and then now you have to just push the plunger. And the thing is, I would sometimes then just kind of draw it out like that, but sometimes that doesn't always work. So sometimes, well, it worked out, but sometimes you have to make sure you click that part like that, so then it's fully out. Here's what the tampon looks like. It's really little. It's, the tampon, 2 inches. Then it has this little leak guard skirt, if you can see this, which apparently is supposed to help stop leaks. That leak guard skirt does nothing, okay? It's not going to help you at all. So don't rely on that. Use a panty liner, or, find another thing that you can use, because this leak guard skirt, not going to help you. So here is the absorbency test. So I have in my little jar, one sec. Sorry, give me 1 second. So, in this little jar, right here, I have 6 grams of colored water, and basically, so that is the maximum that a light tampon is supposed to be able to absorb. So, here we go. I'm just going to stick it in right here. Personally, so yeah, you can see that this tampon absorbs really fast. Actually, wow, look, it absorbed all of that. Was that really 6 grams? That was 6, yeah, that was 6 grams. That was definitely 6 grams. But see, now it's all absorbing in. So if I just hold it upside down, which is how it would be in your body, it's all gonna like run down. Basically, so it absorbs really fast. And you know, it's great because it's a tampon, so it's inside of you. You would be fine. There's no chance of leaking. You know, you're good. You're good. And so it expands in a rectangular shape, which personally I don't like, and also this one actually expands lengthwise. Like it gets longer as opposed to wider, and so you know, so it gets longer as opposed to wider. It also it doesn't really, I mean, it doesn't really expand that much, like wide. So I found I had a lot of leaks with this tampon. It doesn't come apart if you're yanking it. Yeah, see, it's pretty, that string is sewn in there, which is really good. And so while I was wearing these, I found that the string was fine. I mean, this is what the string looks like. It's flexible. Yay. And I found that, I did kind of leak with this tampon. Sometimes, you know, I'd have it in for an hour or two, and I would just have blood all over, you know, my underwear, because this tampon, it goes lengthwise, not widthwise. So I don't like this tampon. I found it lasted about 1 or 2 hours on my light flow. And when I took it out, it was not saturated at all. It had like a couple little like things of blood just running down the middle, but that was it. Because all the blood like leaked out the sides. Overall, I didn't like this tampon. I think that another better one would be the Tampax Pearl, the Playtex Gentle Glide, the Playtex Sport, or the U BY KOTEX Click or Sleek. Honestly, any tampon but this. These suck. So basically, you can see it absorbed everything except for just a little bit of residue. But I will just pour that residue onto the leak guard skirt to show you. So this is what the leak guard skirt does. Not very helpful, honestly. Not that great. So here's my review of the tampon. Woohoo! And I hate this tampon. Okay, comment, rate, like, subscribe. Please take a look at my other video about the U BY KOTEX curves, and just, you know, let me know what would be your opinion on me having a giveaway. Would you like me to have one? Why? Thank you. Bye.